If Pixlr is stuck loading, freezing on startup, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few proven fixes step by step so you can get the editor working again as quickly as possible. These are simple troubleshooting steps you can do in your browser, and they often solve the loading issue without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to force a hard refresh. Sometimes corrupted web files or cached browser data can cause Pixlr to freeze during startup, and a hard refresh tells your browser to re-download the latest version of the app. To do this, open the Pixlr page that's stuck loading, then press Ctrl F5 on your keyboard. On some browsers, you may also need to hold Ctrl and click the reload button, but Ctrl and F5 is the quickest place to start. After that, give Pixlr a moment to reload and see if it opens normally. If it still gets stuck, the next step is to clear the site cookies. Old project data or broken stored files can interfere with the loading process, especially if Pixlr worked before and suddenly stopped. To clear those files, click the menu icon in your browser near the address bar, then go to Cookies and Site Data. From there, select Manage Cookies and Site Data. Look for Pixlr in the list and delete all stored files related to it. Once that's done, reload the page and check whether the editor starts properly. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to enable hardware acceleration. Pixlr is a graphics-heavy web app, and if your browser is blocking access to your graphics card, the editor may not load correctly. Open your browser settings, then use the search bar and type hardware acceleration. Find the option that says use hardware acceleration when available and switch it to on. After that, click relaunch so the browser restarts with the new setting enabled. This one solves the issue for a lot of users because it allows the browser to use your system's graphics support properly. If Pixlr is still stuck after that, we can go one level deeper and force WebGL flags. WebGL is important for browser-based image editing, and sometimes the browser's safety settings block the rendering path Pixlr needs. To try this, type //flags into your browser's address bar and press enter. Then search for Override Software Rendering List. Change that setting from disabled to enabled and then restart your browser so the change can take effect. This can help bypass the block list and allow Pixlr to render correctly. If you're using a different browser, the exact steps may look slightly different, but the general idea is the same. Make sure graphics rendering is allowed. Finally, don't forget to disable ad blockers or privacy extensions for the site. Sometimes these extensions mistake the editor's image loading scripts for tracking scripts, which can cause the app to hang or never finish loading. Click the puzzle piece extension icon in your toolbar, then turn off your ad blocker or VPN for Pixlr specifically. After that, refresh the app and see if it boots up cleanly. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the loading problem right away, and you'll be able to get back into Pixlr without any more frustration. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of our troubleshooting tutorials for more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.